I have a question.
Of course. Go ahead.
I study English, I watch videos, I read, I understand many things.
That is good. Really.
But when I want to speak, something happens.
What happens?
I don't know. I open my mouth, and then nothing. I stop.
You stop.
Yes, the words are in my head, but they don't come out.
Can I ask you something?
Yes,
When you stop, how do you feel inside?
afraid.
Afraid? Okay. Tell me more. What does it feel like?
My heart beats fast. My face gets hot. I feel small.
Small? I understand that.
And I think, what if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh?
Ah, yes.
It is a bad feeling.
It is. It really is. Can I tell you something?
Yes, please.
This feeling, what you just described, millions of people feel this every day.
Really?
Really? You are not alone. Not even close.
But why? Why do I feel this? I know some English. I'm not stupid.
No, you are not stupid at all. This is not about intelligence.
Then what is it?
It is your brain. Your brain is trying to protect you.
Protect me from English.
I know. It sounds strange. But yes, your brain sees something new, something uncertain. And it says, wait, be careful. This could be dangerous.
But speaking English is not dangerous.
You know that. I know that. But your brain doesn't know that yet.
So my brain thinks speaking is danger.
Something like that your brain thinks. What if I fail? What if something bad happens and it tries to stop you, to keep you safe?
That is interesting.
It is. Your brain is not your enemy. It is just a little confused.
A little confused. Okay, but there's another thing.
Tell me.
When I speak, I think in my language first. Then I try to translate, and it takes so long. And then the moment is gone.
Yes, that is very common at the beginning.
It is exhausting.
I know. It feels like carrying two bags at the same time.
Yes, exactly like that.
And when you are so busy translating, you can't really speak. Your energy goes to the wrong place.
So what do I do?
We will talk about that. But first, can I ask you something else?
Yes.
When you were young in school, did anyone ever correct you in front of the class?
Yes.
What happened?
The teacher asked me a question in English. I tried to answer. I made a mistake. And the other students, they laughed.
I'm sorry. That should not have happened.
It was a long time ago, but I still remember it.
Of course, you remember it. The brain keeps that, especially the painful moments.
So that moment is still affecting me now?
Probably, yes. That one moment told your brain speaking English is dangerous. People will laugh. And since then, your brain is trying to stop you. Every time.
From one moment?
Sometimes, yes. One moment is enough.
That is a little sad.
It is. But here is the good news.
What?
That moment is in the past, and the brain can learn new things. It can learn speaking is safe, mistakes are okay. Nobody is laughing.
Can the brain really change?
Yes, slowly, but yes.
Okay, but there is one more thing.
Go on.
I compare myself to other people. I see someone speaking English so easily, so fast, so perfect. And I feel behind, like I am too slow.
Who are these people you compare yourself to?
People online, on videos, native speakers.
Okay, can I say something honest?
Please.
Those people, the ones speaking so fast and so perfectly, they practiced for years. Some of them for 10, 15, 20 years.
I know, but still.
And also, you only see the final result. You don't see the years of mistakes, the confusion, the embarrassment. You just see the finished product.
That's true.
It's like watching someone run a marathon and thinking, Why can't I run like that? But you don't see their years of training, their falls, their bad days.
I never thought about it like that.
Comparing yourself to someone at the end of their journey when you are just beginning yours, that is not fair to you.
It is not fair.
No, it is not.
So, what is confidence? Because I hear that word a lot, just be confident. But I don't know what that means for me.
Good question. What do you think confidence means?
Speaking without mistakes.
That is what many people think. But I don't think that's right.
No.
No. Confidence is not perfect English. Confidence is speaking even when you are not perfect.
Even with mistakes.
Especially with mistakes.
HMM.
Think about a child learning to walk. They fall many times, but they get up and try again. We don't say that child has no confidence. We say that child is brave.
They are learning.
Exactly. And so are you.
But adults are different. People judge adults more.
Maybe, but think about who really judges you.
What do you mean?
When you imagine people laughing at your English, who are these people?
I don't know. Just people.
Are they real people in your life?
No, not really.
Most of the time, the people who judge us the most are in our own heads.
You mean I am judging myself?
Often, yes. You are your hardest judge.
That is hard to hear.
I know. But it is also good news, because you can change how you speak to yourself.
How?
Slowly, by noticing. When you make a mistake and your brain says you are so stupid, you can stop and say, no, I am learning. That is different.
That sounds simple.
It is simple, but it is not easy. Not at first.
Can I ask something personal?
Of course.
Did you ever feel afraid to speak another language?
Yes, absolutely.
Really?
Yes. I remember the first time I tried to speak in another language in front of people. My voice shook. I forgot basic words, simple words, words I knew.
That happens to me too.
It happens to everyone. When we are nervous, the brain goes into protection mode, and suddenly, you forget everything. It feels like your head is empty.
Empty? Yes, like a blank page.
Exactly. And that is not a sign that you don't know English. It is a sign that you are nervous.
So knowing English and speaking English are different things.
Very different. You can know a lot and still feel afraid to speak. That is normal. That is human.
Okay, so what do I do? Not tips, not practice more. I hear that all the time. I want to understand.
I hear you. Okay, let me ask you this. When you think about speaking English, what is the goal in your mind?
To speak correctly.
To be perfect.
Yes.
And what if the goal was different?
Different how?
What if the goal was just to communicate, to say something, anything, even if it is not perfect?
HMM.
Imagine you are in a new city. You are lost. You need help. You don't have time to think about perfect grammar. You just say something, and somehow you are understood.
Yes, that would feel good.
That is real English. That is real communication. Not perfect, but real.
So I don't need to be perfect.
Nobody is. Not even native speakers.
That is strange to think about.
It's true. Native speakers make mistakes too. They use bad grammar sometimes. They say the wrong word. They speak in broken sentences every day.
And nobody laughs at them.
Usually not.
I want to say something, but I'm not sure how to say it.
Just say it, however you can.
When I speak English with you now, I feel okay. I don't feel afraid. Why is that?
Because this is a safe space. I'm not judging you. I'm not waiting for you to fail. I'm just listening.
I wish all English conversations felt like this.
Some of them can, more than you think. Most people, when you try to speak their language, they are happy. They appreciate the effort. They want to help.
Really?
Really, the fear makes us imagine the worst. But the reality is often much kinder. Can I say something?
Yes.
You came here today. You talked about your fear. You used English to do it.
I did.
That is not a small thing.
It didn't feel brave.
Brave things never feel brave from the inside. They just feel scary.
So, I am afraid of English, and that is okay?
Yes, the fear is okay. The fear is normal. The fear does not mean you can't speak.
It just means I'm human.
Exactly.
What do I do tomorrow when I want to speak and the fear comes back?
Remember this, speaking is not a test. There is no score, there is no pass or fail. There is only, did I try?
Did I try?
And if you tried, even if it was messy, even if you forgot words, even if your accent was strong, you did something real.
Something real.
Yes.
I think I understand something now.
What?
I was waiting to be ready, waiting to be good enough before I spoke.
And
But maybe you don't get ready first. Maybe you get ready by doing it.
that is it. That is exactly it. You know what I want to say to you?
What?
You are not bad at English.
I feel bad at it sometimes.
I know. But that feeling is not the truth. You understand English. You are speaking English right now. You are doing it.
I am doing it.
You are just afraid. And fear can change.
Fear can change.
Yes, slowly with time, with small moments of courage, with conversations like this one.
Thank you. That helps.
I'm glad. One last thing.
Yes.
The next time you want to speak English and the fear comes, don't fight it. Just notice it. Say to yourself, okay, I am afraid. And I am going to speak anyway.
Afraid and speaking anyway.
That is what courage looks like. Not no fear. Fear and doing it anyway.
Okay, I can try that.
That is enough. Trying is enough. You did well today.
Thank you. I hope other people listening feel this too.
They will. Because this is not just your story. This is the story of so many learners. You are not alone in this.
That is a good feeling.
It is. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for listening.